Do you think the kids will thank us later for taking them to this kind of hikes?
Sometimes a wrong turn leads you to discover wonderful things you know nothing about.
Okay, we're going in. Let's go, gamers. Prince, we're entering a tunnel under the mountain.
Sector clear. Let's go.
It's the second
Sector is clear.
Al Ghazir tunnel.
Sector clear.
Second
Move in.
tunnel.
You wanna act like a... I got a...
Wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now this one is called Al-Multaka tunnel. Still in Khorfakkan. Yeah, this is a very long tunnel.
Yeah, this is the one that I'm
Yeah, this is the main tunnel.
long tunnel. See?
Yeah, already 1 minute inside.
Still cannot even see the
And
end.
you're running like how many kilometers per hour?
100 kilometers.
2-minute mark.
Yung pa rin kaya close. I can see it there.
Yeah.
Bye.
And here we are on the other side of the sea. We're going in another one, and this one is called Al-Saha Tunnel. This is a short one.
Again,
And again,
this is the 5th tunnel.
what's it called? Yeah. This one is Sikab Tunnel. The other one's longer, for in 1 minute mark here. Down there. So we took the wrong turn. Instead of going right, we went straight, and the road lead us to this place. It's the other side of the dam, other side of Rafisah Dam. We're going to explore it as well, since today is exploration day. It's just nice to see a beautiful place. What's the view? Wow. Friend! Inom ka na ng ano? So probably you can bring up a car here, babe. Right? Right, Dad? This is a car route. Picture lang kita, babe. think the kids will thank us later for taking them to this kind of hikes? Maybe now they don't appreciate much, you think? But later in life they will be thankful, you think? Gosh. Ate! Prince! Someone said that they're grumpy now. Actually, both of them started to get grumpy.
So give them good food.
Yeah, and ice cream. Who wants ice cream later? Salt ice cream?
Sugar ice cream.
Cotton candy ice cream? This is just beautiful, guys. And the weather actually is nice. It's not so hot. We are in December, so it's kind of cool. But because it's 10:30 a.m., that's why the sun's up and we're high up. But the wind, the breeze is cool. It's just good. And just look at this view. It's beautiful. And I'm with my partner. Crime toss. My adventure partner, Mr. Rock. Mr. Rock. Mr. Rock. Mr. Rock. Mr. and Mrs. Rock.